14-year-old girl gone missing in Frankfied, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 14-year-old Akela Barkley of Pumpkin District, Frankfied, Clarendon, who has been missing since Wednesday, October 23rd. She is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Frankfied police are that at around 6 a.m., Akela was last seen at home wearing a grey pullover and a black tights. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Akela Barkley is being asked to contact the Frankfied police at 876-904-4507, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.